that large heron came flying out of here yesterday around this time. I thought I might come down here and see if I could sneak up on it, which is very difficult to do. We have so very little footage of that particular bird. It is one of the largest here. But as you can see, the creek bed is really well protected by reeds and rushes here. And there is standing water all around. It's looking pretty good. The light cloud cover in the mornings is helpful because right now the temperature is in triple digits, 100 degrees Fahrenheit and above every day. So you can see some frogs or tadpoles. Some decent algae there. This is where the catfish spawned. The footage we have of the spawning catfish is from this stretch of creek bed from last summer in August. Now all this nice tall grass provides shade because later today this will be blue skies and 101 degrees temperature is the expected high today. Triple digits now expected for the next week. And this is the beginning of June, so it could be quite some time before a proper rain actually arrives here in the Rocky Point recharge zone. That said, these standing water pools are providing food for the egret and the heron. So today we are hanging out waiting to see if the heron turns up. More exposed, obviously here, so more algae. The barn swallows, there are dozens now, and they're out and about. They're so fast. Look at that. So much faster than I'm capable of filming. Hirundo rustica. But as you can see already, this has dried, so the water stops. And those pools are dry now, up to the bridge. On the other side, 1, 2, and 3 are still not full, but they still have standing water, and probably some small minnows, fish, etc. I'm just going to try to film these guys as we walk for today's report of the creek bed. Rocky Point recharge zone, the RPRZ here on the northwest side of San Antonio, Texas. Yeah, all this has dried up now. And it looks like I'm trying to capture those Hirundo rustica, but while I'm in motion, that's probably not a very good idea. You're probably just getting blurry views of these guys. The Hirundo rustica all nest under the bridge, of course, as they do all over the country. Barn swallows, as they call them. And now they've hatched, and there are a dozen or so here. So all of these have dried as well, it looks like. Now there's a little water here still. That's good. A little bit of water there. Plenty of water still. This is the 4th straight year that we have had standing water under the bridge. Very good, healthy ecosystem, which is what we've been documenting here in the Rocky Point recharge zone. I am MTK. This is the RPRZ off of Rocky Point Road, a drainage ditch formed from the overdevelopment of the region around it, where a water system has now been created. We have seen bullfrog tadpoles and leopard frogs and a variety of crawfish, and even a turtle at one point. Now that one's dried. That one still has just a little bit of water left, maybe another 3 days. It's going to be 101 today, tomorrow, and Sunday, so I bet that's gone by next week. The one under the tree gets some extra shade at the end of the day, but that'll be gone by next week as well. Cool today thanks to some cloud cover early, but otherwise hot and dry. In a drought year, 2018, in the Rocky Point recharge zone.